Alright, mama, let's do this.
You're having my baby. Oh, what a lovely way of saying how much you love me. You're having my baby. Oh, what a lovely way of saying what you're thinking of me. I can see it. Your face is glowing. I can see it in your eyes. I'm happy you know it, that you're having my baby. You're the woman I love, and I love what is human to you. You're having my baby. You're a woman in love, and I love what's going through you. The need inside you, I see it showing.